Alright, mister, I'm going to do a simulation trying to catch up with you. Let's see. So the date is alright. It's 25th January 2021. And I've already set everything, my charts, everything, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, the resistance lines, all over the place. Resistance lines all over the place. Look at this. 4 hours, a lot of them also, everything is in place. So yeah, so let's do it. Let's try to analyze this. I have already plotted a few zones here in the 1 hour also. So yeah, it seems that we are going to break to the upside. Judging by this candle here, it seems that we might go up. If we break the high of this candle here, which is about the same high as this candle here, we should be good to go. Yeah, we should be good to go because we have clean traffic for a bit of time. And so let's see if we can do it. We are 2 hours before New York Open, so let's play this thing. This candle should continue going up. This is a 1 hour candle doing a wick down. This is a huge stop, but that's why I'm not entering here, because it's I don't even know, but it has no room till the top. Like, yeah, 28, 20, 30 pip stop, and it has no room to go. So no 1-to-1 ratio, so it's a no-go for me. As we break the high, we might have some good risk reward that we don't have for now. Wicking down, should go up. Let me see the 30 minutes. Yeah. We have a little zone of resistance here, just a bit, which is this zone also. Yeah. Let me see the 1 hour again. Okay, 1 hour closed bearish. And we are breaking the low of the 1 hour. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm not going to engage on this. Bearish at resistance. Because I'm not going to engage because we have support just here, as you can see. Those are the difficult ones to see. Sometimes we miss them, but it's here. It's here, and it's only below this. We might have some sort of chance. Ooh, immediately. That's gone. Wow. Let's see if we stay below, and let's clone this zone. If we stay below and we close in a way, oh man. If we close in a way that is possible, let's see. Already run too much. Yeah, it closed without a wick. So nothing to do here. Again, you don't have a risk reward to do this trade. In the 15-minute, that would, but I don't like to trade the 15-minute before the New York Open. It's just, the 15-minute, you have a 12 pip stop here to a 12 pip target here. So that might have been a trade, but like I said, I really don't like it. This is a Monday. It's just before New York Open. But if we touch this, that would be a successful. That would have been a successful trade. So let's see. Where does it has to go? So from this low here, 12 pips. Let's see. 12 pips is like in here, something like that. Is it going to do it? It didn't do it already. Oh, almost. Very dodgy price action. We are into New York already. Okay. We are we are bouncing from support. Let's see if we hit that target. But this trade would have been break even already. You see, a lot of going down and up and down. So yeah, unless you take like, I don't know, unless you take like, so if you, it's 12 pips, yeah. Unless you take like 8 pips, man, 10 pips here. But at 8 pips we would be already melting with fever. Let's see if this goes to the 12 here. It has to break this low. Let me see the 30 minutes to see how we are. 30-minute created support there. It broke the low. Alright, so that 10-15 would have been not good because it would have been break even, but we are at support now and we are rejecting support, so this might be interesting. Bearish. Are we going to break the high of the bearish candle? Are we going to break the high here? See the 1 hour? The 1 hour closed bullish with the big. This is rejection again from the rejection, rejection, rejection. Closed bullish. So this is a bullish sign. What about in the 4 hours? Yeah, this is bearish, bearish. 1 hour is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. 1 hour is bullish. 30-minute is bullish. Interesting. Interesting here. So let me see. Because we are at support. We are wicking down from support, but we are also wicking up. We are into New York. If I take it here, that would be a 12 pip stop. And 10 here, 12 there. Kinda have room. Kinda have room. This 1 hour closed bullish. Just the the bearish for our candle doesn't convince me. It's the only thing that it's not convincing. At the same time, we came down and we rejected the support here, right? So this one might do the same and go to the upside again. We just don't know. But at the same time, we have a double top here. Yeah, this is dodgy action here. Dodgy action. M30 making lower highs. No, this is a higher low, man. It's a higher low. Lower high, but there is a higher low in here. But structure is bearish. Structure is bearish. But we are at support. So I would say that if we break this, definitely if we break this one, if we break this week here, right? But I think that if we break, because the major trend is to to the upside. And this is also the 50% retrace from the fib level, something like that. We should be very close to, not that I look too much at it, I don't look too much at it, but yeah, you see, this is the 50% just in here. So I think the break of this high might be a good trade. so so yeah, I'm going to give it a try. Like just above this candle, I'm going to set the pending there. All right, and we manage as we go. Visual mode, buy, pending, buy stop. With stop just here, pending just there, 0 to 30. Ooh, how much is the spread in this thing? I don't want it to enter without breaking the high. 1.3 pips, so I'm going to discount that. Buy stop. 1.3 pips. So the high is 0.190, 0.290, 0.320. So the 0.340. That's my entry. Ooh, that's not so much. 0.350. And the TP, I leave it here for now. 13, 13, 14. Yeah, in here. 14 pips. So let's see if we break this. If we break this candle up. We break this candle up. Bearish candle. Accept. Let's go for it. And we manage in M15. So are we already in? Trades. We are already in. Let's be very careful with this. M15. Where is M15? Looks like shit. Looks like shit. We just broke the low of the 15-minute candle, closing 50%. And to be honest, I don't know if I want to continue with the rest of the trade open in this case, because we are rejecting all this stuff here. Oh, 30-minute closed bearish also. Oh no, that was the 30-minute that we broke the high. Okay, but this one is still developing. We are 15 minutes in. Okay, I'm going to continue with the rest of the trade. Let's see. We close bullish, but inside range. Let's see the 30-minute close. 30-minute close bull, very weak bullish, very dodgy. This looks like shit. Let's break up that range. $15 for the 1 hour to close. We are still inside this range. That's unbelievable. Can't go up, can't come down. Okay, it seems that we are coming down now. So, let's see how we manage this. Let's see the M30. Let's see the 1 hour. 1 hour didn't break the low yet. The low will be broken in here. And we might have a chance for a short if we break this low in here, to be honest. To be honest, that looks a lot like a short there. Because we are at support, we are inside New York. We just opened New York SE. So yeah, because if we break this low, we might feel this weak in here. It's just around what, 6 pips, but we should continue to another 9 pips, so that's 15 pips to this area here. What about M30? M30, this weak fill is the same as this thing here. M30 we can go 11 pips in this one, 13 pips. So yeah, I'm going to set the pending in here in case we are stopped on this one. The pending should be activated. So a sell stop, a sell stop. Stop just above this candle. That's 16 pips. Wow, 16. So let's put 16 to the target also, but I will be taking in here something like 80%. It tried to go up, it couldn't go up. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. Let's see this one. We already broke the low of this 1 hour. No, this is the 30-minute. The 1 hour is going to break here, so okay, pending set. Well, no, pending is not there. Sorry. Sell stop. Pending. Sell stop. The stop will be there at 16 pips. 17 for the target. And the sell stop is just there. Okay. Okay. So let's see what happens. It seems like it's going to break down. Yeah, it broke. It broke down. It stopped the other one. So let's manage now. Ooh. Has to go down, man. Has to go down. Ooh, man. What a dodgy price action, guys. What a dodgy price action. This is a nightmare. This is a nightmare here. Wow. We just broke the 1 hour low. The 1 hour low. Let's continue to see what's going on here. Seems that we are breaking. We broke the 15 minutes. Now, that's the last thing you want to see. It's the 15-minute candle going against like this. That's very dodgy price action again. Very, very dodgy. But we need to break down. M30. M30 is still good, but M30 closed below, you know, and M15, everything is closed below. Below. 1 hour broke the low. Well, we should be good to go. There. Okay, so we are at the time 10 minutes into. A lot of stress with this price action. This is a nightmare. Okay, cutting 50% here. Unfortunately, again, closing 50%. Let's see. If you break this high, I might close another 50%. Seems that we are going down, or maybe not. This is really dodgy price action. Okay, we feel this week. We feel this week. Okay, so it's only half of the trade. Let's see my targets here. Well, in the 1 hour, I want to get here. That's 15 pips. That's 15 pips. So let's see. Let's see if we can do it. M30 is looking good. M15 is looking good. And that TP. So that's where I'm going to take at 16 pips. Let me see. It's 14 to 16 pips. I will be taking off of my trade. That's a very nice 15-minute close. Has to continue down. No, not up, not up. It's down, down. It's down, not up. Okay. So how many pips? 7. 7. We need 14 to 16. Man, it's going to close bullish again? Really? 4 minutes to close. Man. It closed bullish, but we have a lower low and a lower high. So I'm not cutting because of that. But if we break this high, I'm cutting another 50%. Okay, it seems that we are going somewhere. We have 11. Let's see if we can get to 14 to 16. 12. 13. A bit more, man. Okay, okay. That's 15.8. That's me taking 50% of this. Well, actually 80% of it. 80. That's where we are in the 1 hour. So yeah, just being safe. 80% of this thing. Trying not to, and leave the rest to run. And trying to get to this low here, to this double low. So let me take the target, take profit out of the way, and putting it a bit lower in here. So that would be 24 pips for 20% of the trade. Let's see if we can do this. Break even. Let it play. It was a difficult trade. because I've gone tricked on the upside. Seems like, are we going to get it? Are we going to get it? It seems he's rejecting. What a shame he's only 50% of the trade, isn't it? So, almost there. Touched it already. He touched it. Man, man, it has to go down again. Oh, come on, man. Come on, no, 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 don't do that. That's just stupid. That's just stupid to do to me. Come on. No. That's what we get for being, what's the word? Not selfish. It's, oh man, ridiculous. Really, really ridiculous. That's what we get for being, what's the word? Tell me, what's the word? Greedy, greedy, greedy. I know you knew it. Man, ridiculous, ridiculous. I lost like how much? Fucking hell. Yeah. Well, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But it still was a nice trade. But man, I could have closed just before. Yeah. That I regret. So that's a mistake to point out. And yeah, that's it. And we should go now because it will reject this resistance here and come down again. I suppose. Let's see. Uh, Rejection. Here it comes. Oh, not going anymore. Going now? Going now. Oh, there you have it. Okay. So yeah, let's move on to the next day. Oops, previous bar. Okay, I didn't look at the bar, so I don't know. Okay, I was focusing in this little rectangle in here. Okay, so we are down 0.989%. Okay. Okay, let me do some notes about. Okay, the short trade I was greedy and didn't took it. About the long trade. Uh, where is it? About the long trade. Yeah, all bullish closes, I could have cut it in here. I could have cut it in here. The rest of the 50% in the bottom of this candle here. Man, but was really tricking me because it was closing bullish, so you expect it to kind of move on, isn't it? So yeah, but it was very dodgy price action. So anyway, moving on to the next day. We are in the next day. Let's put in more zones here. In the 1 hour, which is also something from before. Kind of thing there. And we have more below. Yeah. This line is not there. Oh, it is. Phew. Phew. So we have also this resistance here, which was already kind of tested. We have this one in action also. We have clean traffic after this. Oh, we have a bid here. Oh man, it's just what a nightmare again. Delete this one. What a nightmare again. And only here we have some space. Wow. Only here we have some space to go. So let's see what's going on. For now we are back inside this range, but we might reject this resistance there. We are rejecting already. But if we break high, well, if we break high, there's not really room for a trade there. 10 pips, that's nothing. Hmm. So we are Tuesday already. Let's see. I think everything is cloned. Look at this nightmare. Nightmare price action. Above these weeks, it's good. All right, let's move on. Let's go for it. This is kind of, we are doing this very good price action to the upside. We are retesting, rejecting this zone here. We are retesting and rejecting this zone. So we are kind of above the range. We need to break out this. We need to break out this to go further away. If we break out this, are we going? Where are we going? We can go 10 pips there. 10, those ranges are just not good. Those ranges are very, very bad ranges. And we have resistance here, but we tested resistance already. This one is the retest of resistance. So yeah. Let's see how it closes, and but it looks like it's going up. Yeah. First resistance here. We broke already. Oh fuck me. That was too fast. We are kinda, yeah, we broke there. Man. We don't really have room. Well, 9, 10. More or less we have. I'm not counting it to come down again. So that's 11 and that's 9. But we might go to 13. Uh, let's see. I'll wait a bit. I'll miss this one. I'll miss this one. Fuck me. Would have been break even already. Would have been break even. Stupid price action. 52. Not yet into New York. Let's see how this 30-minute closes. That's our TP there. Okay, okay. If this 30-minute breaks the high, it's Okay, and the high of this one also. We have those wicks there, but I'm not worried with them. So we have, it's only 3-4 pips to the wicks. Oh man, 6 pips. No, there's no room. There's no room for a trade here. There's no room. There's no point. Ah, man, 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 man. Ah, man, man, man. Okay. This 30 minutes really, wow. Wow, wow, wow. I'm 15. Okay, let's see the M15 close. Wow. Really, really strong price action. Just taking everything on. M15 closed. Closed bullish with a big rejection. See the next one. If we break the high of this next M15, we might go. We might go further away to this zone here. That's 12, 13 pips. That's or maybe break this high. There's a lot of rejections there. There's a lot. That's really not good. Not good. And there's another rejection there. Just counting on this price section to move, isn't it? Further away. I just missed everything till now. Let me see. Let me see. Let me decide upon this M15. Going to put it slower. Okay, we broke up. We are breaking up here. Yeah. I'm not ready for this. I'm not ready. Too many weeks. I want to see the close of M30. Sorry. I just miss everything. Stupid. Everything. I miss everything. Now. Now. After this huge candle, we have 8 pips to go. Wow. There's nothing I can do in here. Nothing. There's nothing I can do in here. With 8 pips to go. 18. 10. Nothing. Why am I so scared of taking trades? I could have taken this one here. I could have taken this one here. I just don't trust the M15. That's the thing. But those are M30s. Those are M30s. Still a lot of fear in my trading. That's what I'm noticing. That's a rejection there in that this 4 hour thing. 47. Even this one, I could have taken it now, as it came back with stop below here. But you are just afraid that it retraces more, and not really happy. Not really happy with this. Not really happy at all. Let's see if we can create a support here. Close bullish again, and it's going up. It's crazy. It's crazy. We're going to break the high and move on. Can I do it? No, I can't. It's 5 pips away. We are starting New York now. I cannot do this trade. It's too much of a bullish price action. But if we find some sort of support, I'm all in. Okay, we should find support here, right? We should find support here in this zone. M15 has closed. Bearish, super bearish. This is the zone of support. So let's see if we can get a bullish M15. Can we get a bullish M15? That's a weak bullish M15. Very weak bullish. Okay, let's see. We cannot trade the break of the low because we are just in support. Just about to hit support. Okay, but we can trade the break of the M15 high. Can we? M15 is very tricky, but we are into New York and the trend is up like shit. And we kind of rejected support here, right? Those 2 weeks. Yeah. I would be better if it come here to those closes, but support is support. Let's see. Can we break that high? If it's to continue down, we should not break this high, right? Okay, we just broke that high. Okay, we broke it. So I'm getting in and I'm expecting it to continue with the trend through this zone here. So let's see if we can get a good trade here. It's a buy. It stopped just below here. And BTP just there. And I might consider to take something on those wicks. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. Let me put the trades on. Let me check M30. M30 is looking good. I want to see this M30 closing high. Higher. Higher, not lower. Higher. 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 Much higher than that. Hmm. Much higher than that. Yeah, much higher. Bit more higher. Okay, so this is where I'm taking like we are almost 1-to-1. I'm taking 80%, setting break even. Let me check where this can go. Close another 50% there. And then we might go to that zone here, just at the high. So let me take this take profit from here and put it again in here, just below, so I don't get greedy. Okay, so if we get here, I'll take another 50% of the trade. Well, let me set break even. Let's go up, 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 up we go, up, we go up, not down, up, 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 upside, upside. Oh man, it's going to set my, going to break even me? No, bullish, bullish. Let's continue. Okay, another one, just another push, just another push. Come on, a bit more, a bit more, come on. Let me speed it up a little bit. Okay, no, I don't want to speed it up. Wait. 12. Okay, let me take another 50% here and leave the rest. Just leave the rest to go wherever he wants to go. So now I can speed it up to, yeah, whatever. Man, it was difficult to get into a trade this day, huh? Let's pick that high. Alright. Let's take that high. Let's take it. Still New York session, New York SE. We need to break up. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Okay, we have it. Finally a good trade. Finally a good trade. Man, man, that could have taken a lot of trades here. A lot of trades. This break, this break, this break, this break. I only took it after support. Yeah. Okay. I'm happy with this trade anyway. I'm going to have dinner. I'll continue this in a bit. It's already 50 minutes, so this is going to be long, man, long. I'm moving to the next day. Moving to the next day, next bar. Man. Man. Man, price action was really bullish. Price action is everything. Okay. And keeps on going. Wow. Okay. So this will be set up for after dinner. 1 hour, 4 hours. 4 hours looking bullish as shit. We broke here. We just weak down, and if we break the high, we should go again in the 4 hours. So let's see how it goes. Okay, heading to dinner. See you in a bit. Okay, here we are again. Wednesday. 1 hour. Let's put some zones here. We have a zone here, another there. You see the 4 hours. Tricky 4 hours. Everything is very far. Oh, we have this weak field here. Okay. So we stopped in here in this weak field. Kinda. So let's clone this also. So we gotta be careful here. And the daily. So that's, yeah, 4 hours is still going up. The daily, we have that thing there. After that, we have another there. Let's see. For our weak field, we should have some sort of rejection here. Not really space to go to that weak field. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Retested support and closed bullish. Retested the 1 hour retested support and closed bullish. And the next one wasn't able to go above. And we are at resistance here, but we expect trend continuation, isn't it? We come from downside. We ranged for a bit in the Asian session, then we broke up in London. We came down, we retested the zone, we retested again in this bullish candle, and we closed above. So I expect this to continue going up after this bullish candle, and that's 16 pips still there. 16 pips. What about the stop here? 15. Let's see them 30 minutes here. Bearish 30 minutes. A lot of sideways action. Sideways action. Yeah, we rejected this high here. Let's see if we break above this high. If we break above this high here, I would say we should continue to go there. And let's see if we have some sort of place in the 15 minute to put our stop. We are talking about this high here. So should be something like this. That's 10 pip stop, 11 pip target. Might be something. Let's see how it goes. Let's play this. 1 hour tells me to get in here. 1 hour is telling me to get in. Rejection. We are doing like a sort of like a triangle to continue moving up. 1 hour is telling me to get in the close of this bullish candle. Break and retest, and we close the bullish here. Also the 30 minutes, this is the 1 hour rejection, isn't it? And the 30 minute is also rejecting lower, so we should continue to go up to this zone, okay? So I'm 1 hour candle. So 15.15, I'm getting in here. And I'm going to place my stop below below this below this 1 hour candle here, like 15 pips. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So it's a buy here. It's a buy here. TP. That's the weak field. I'm going to try to take 80% there, and then a bit more. Let's see if we can continue a bit more. And the stop below this one. I'm not putting below this one. I want to be able to manage my trade. And if I put it here with this dodgy price action, we might. I want to close 50% instead of, or maybe I'll just close it all. But I'm closing it all without taking the full stop. That's the thing. If we break this thing here. Okay, so because the zone is here, because in the, all those doubts is because we don't have a higher high in this candle. So I'm taking a bit of risk in here. So it can come down to retest again. Well, if it comes down to retest, probably break and go down. so what are we going to do? That's a 16 pip stop. 16, that's 10, 15. If I put it here, I'm going to put it like 11 pip stop, just below this one. Okay, I'm not expecting this to come down because I'm expecting trend continuation. This was a break and retest and closed bullish on the 1 hour and did another close in the 1 hour. So yeah, this is a write-off candle. We should be good to go up. Let's see. We need to break the high of that candle. I entered before because yeah, because it's like entering on this one, in the close of this one, break and retest, and in the close of this candle. I know it's rejecting this resistance in here, but I expect it to break. Let's see. If it doesn't, let's see the M15. Gotta be very careful here. M15 might close bearish. Oops, so, oh, yay, yay, yay. Ooh, ooh, that's me closing 50%. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let's see if I should have closed in there. Break of that M15. Okay, but I'm closing in in M30 here. Wow. Okay. So trades. Trades closing 50% of my trade. Let's see the rest of it. Okay. Are we going now? We need to break the high of one of those candles. For now, is respecting. If we break the low, I just close the trade. But yeah, closing the whole trade here. So it was an unfortunate buy here. Okay, let's see how it goes. That's a lot of price action going down. Rejecting that support zone. Man, 10 minutes to close. We're about to close. Okay, now we need to break down or break up this range. That's what we need to do. Probably, let's see. Whatever happens, if it comes down, I just enter a short. If it comes up, I'll go for a long. But this kind of price action, this is a downside kind of price action. Okay, I'm setting a pending in here. Let me see my stop. So I have room to come to, ooh, not really much room to be honest. It's, oh no, this is the support where we are. Okay. We have room to come to this area here. Ooh, that's 7 pips there. That's me feeling it's just the next one. 7 pips. 7 pips, it would be probably closing something on 7 pips. from here below, we are back inside the range, and we might retrace 50% of all this movement up. So that's that, and that's a lot. We might come here to this zone here. So I'm setting a pending just below there. Pending sell stop 150. That's 20 pip target, and ooh, I don't want it to be more than this. Like 15 pips is enough. 15 pips, 14.7, 15 pips is enough. Below here. Okay, 13, 15 pips. So that's my sell there. Let's see how it goes. Let's see those zones here. Those are not really heavy zones. It's just a bit of a bump here. The little. This is the 4-hour. This 4-hour resistance support, I might take like 80% here or something. Or I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. Pending is set. Go. Going to manage on M15. If we go up back inside the range, everything is different. But we need to go above this zone. We have a zone here on M15, on M30. This is a zone here, and we need to close above this. So let's see. Let's see. Yeah, we're going down. We're going down. Rejecting the upside. Okay, down, 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 down we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. M15 to manage. We are about to close. 6 minutes to close M15, and there's no way of managing this. No way. Unless I'm cutting 50%, and I had if we break down again. That's what I'm going to do. Closing 50%. If we break down again, I mean, I just don't like to see this action going against me without. Okay, let's see. If we break the low, I mean again with the rest of the. With the rest of the trade. Man. Okay, we broke the high again. So I'm closing everything. There's no point. There's no point. Wow, this is a very difficult situation here. Everything, not everything, closing another 50%. That was a lesson I learned. Another 50% and let the rest just do his thing. And if it goes to stop, it goes to stop. Okay, it's a stop. And now, now. Hmm. Are we going to reject this again in M15? Are we going to reject this again? Like we need to close above in here. Okay, it rejected. It rejected. So that was a bullish close, but above. Bullish close, but not above, below all this crap in here. Bullish, bullish. The closes are not good closes. Trying to go up. And even if you break this high, we have resistance just there, which is already tested twice. If we break this high, we might have a trade there. Let's see. If we break the low, we definitely have a trade, a second chance trade. This M15 was already saying second chance. And this is a candle close kind of thing. But we are back inside this range when we close this like this. But not this range, because this one we are still testing. Rejection, rejection again with a lower low. That was my entry there. This was a break, a close below. Bullish. I cannot enter yet. I need to break this low because we have a bullish candle here. We need to break the low of this M30 or the high. Doesn't matter to me. Well, it stopped in this shift. Really? From here? No, we didn't touch that yet. That's kind of just a dump. Not really. In the 1 hour is nothing. In the 1 hour is just clean traffic to the downside. And we broke below in the 1 hour and we didn't break the high in the 1 hour. Not yet. If we break the high in the 1 hour, that's another story. Okay, that's a 1 hour bullish close. That's a 1 hour, then that classifies this as a false break. This was a false break to go down. 1 hour bullish close at support, rejecting resistance, rejecting support here. So that's a straight buy for me. That's a straight buy. 18 pip stop. and I expect trend continuation. I'm going to set here at 25. So it's a buy. It's a buy, but not yet. I'm going to cancel. I want to break the high of this 1 hour candle, because we are still in here. So I'm going to put a zone here. We are still in here, okay? So breaking that high will tell me that price really wants to go up and move to the next zone, okay? So let's see. Breaking the high, definitely. I'm going to be in, definitely, okay? Okay, we broke the high there. Now, this is a buy. I'm going to put the stop just here, the TP just there. I'm not expecting it to come all the way down. So I'm putting my stop around here. It's like 18 pips or 21. Maybe it's a bit too much. So in here, I'm not expecting to do that. So accept, go. Oh my God. Jesus. It broke the high in the 1 hour. There is a buy there. Maybe it's just weakening down. I hope so. I really hope it's just weakening. No, it's not. Oh my God. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, I was completely tricked on this one. And no chance of managing the trade. No chance at all. No chance of managing the trade. So, what a shame. Okay, I'm going to leave it. Fuck me. If it's going up, I'm a lucky bastard. Really, really lucky bastard. But I don't think it's gonna. Anyway, let me manage my trade, because this shit feels bearish here. Okay, so let me close 50% of the trade. Close trades. Close partial. Close 50%. And I will get in if we go again to that price, and if we break that price again, I will jump in again. Bullish close. Just what a massive price action. What a mess. Really, really, really. What's this? What's this in New York? I know I buy support, resistance, but we broke the high. Wow, so tricky here. Anyway, we broke the low here. If we broke the low again, I don't know, do we need to break the low? We already broke the low of this. Let's see this close. If we broke the low on the 1 hour, I'm completely in. This 1 hour is bullish, and probably this one is just making a very big wick down to continue going up. Just my stop is in the wrong place, wasn't it? This candle will dictate everything. Okay, we are going up. If you break the high, I'm in again. Bearish close. Now let's see. I want to take this shit out of here. So the break of the high is here. It's about the same price. I'm going to set the pending there. I'm going to set the pending. So pending, buy, stop. In the same price, not to be tricked. Man, I want everything. Okay, there's a pending there above. We are in already. So this 1 hour bullish close was good. The stop should have been below it. I think was my mistake there. Respect the signals. Respect the highs and the lows of the candles. Let's see. I'm managing on M30. Huge rejection from the bottom side. I want everything. I want a 1-to-1. Trend continuation. We false break the downside. M30 went here. That's 11 pips, but it's like the stop is below the 1 hour candle, so I need to get closer to a 1-to-1 risk reward here. bullish price action. Okay, we are seeing something. Okay, now I'm good to take 80% of my trade here. We broke the high already. Yeah, I'm taking 80%, setting break even. Let the rest run. For that is a weak fill in the 4 hours. We should have some rejection there. I'm expecting it to go up again, to continue in a good move. Uh, let's see how this behaves. Okay, TP. That was a great trade. Unfortunately, my first one had a very, very bad stop. Let's analyze this. Let's analyze this. It was the 1 hour stop. The 1 hour. It closed bullish. The stop should have been below. I don't know, man. I entered here. I tried to put the stop below those bodies. It didn't work out. Yeah. Mistake taken. Mistake taken. Like if you are trading the 1 hour chart, same here. In here, we close bearish on this one. So there's a lot of managing when I enter. So I didn't get a stop. I didn't get a stop if I'm in the 1 hour low, which is this one. But I have to manage here when it closes and here again when it closes. So 70% of my trade would be 75% of my trade would be out, and I would be entering again in here. So that would be, yeah, that would be better, but not ideal anyway. Okay, let's move to the next day. There's nothing to do here. And I'll be back in, well, let's just move. Continue, next bar. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That was the weak feel of the 4 hours. It's going again. It's going to break it. Wow. Oh, false break again. It closed above here. So when it closes above, in the break of this high, there's 9 pips going up. Yeah. Okay, moving to the next day. This is being a very, very tricky simulation till now. Very, very tricky, but a lot of mistakes. I need to review the video because this one I can recognize the mistake in the 1 hour. In the others, I don't really remember anymore, so I have to go over it again. So yeah. So Thursday now. Thursday. Yeah, Thursday. We are 2 hours before, so let's analyze this a bit. Ooh, we have this rejection again from the bottom side in the 4 hour. We rejected that line there. It was also, wow, that's another 4 hour resistance there. Oh, I don't want this. Yeah, it's a 4 hour resistance there. Yeah, I'm talking a bit lower volume because it's already nighttime. Let's see if I can manage to do something here. This is the 1 hour, man. An hour before, this would be an amazing trade again. Now it's a bit late, might be a bit late. And it's, where do I put my stop? Where do I put my stop? Yeah. Yeah, nothing to do here in the 1 hour. Now, but it was in this close. I should start the simulations 1 hour earlier, to be honest. Wow, 16 pips, man. Man. 16, yeah. And this is going to should go to this zone here. Let's see what happens. Let's play. Oh, sorry, wrong candle. Oh, I just passed it. Okay, it's this button, not that button. Okay, again, we are rejecting this thing here in the 30 minute. Nice. So we might be coming down, seeing the price action, head and shoulders kind of thing. Resistance there. We might be coming down. This is a big candle in the 30 minutes. But I could have taken here, but no room till this place here. So, but the breach of the low is very attractive here. The breach of the low might bring us to 50% here. And this zone before. We have this zone before. Let's see. Let's play it. Very interesting price action here. If we close bullish in the 30 minutes, we have clean traffic to go up. And we did close bullish in the 30 minutes, rejecting this line here. This is tricky again. Okay, let's analyze this with highs. So 1 hour we have this resistance here immediately on this line. We might go up again, but the price action in the 1 hour is structurally bearish, isn't it? So structurally bearish. The M30 is rejecting this thing. Okay, 4 hours is bearish, it's getting bullish here. 1 hour is bearish, so the M30 bullish is not enough to go up. It's not enough for me. But it has rejected, and we might test the zone in the upside flow. But let's see. It would be interesting to break this low in here. Okay, we are going down. We are going up there. Now we are breaking down. Oh, this is the New York open candle. So we expect volume. We expect volume in this candle. 18 minutes in. Let's see if we can break the high or the low in here. Let me see. We have a 1 hour bullish candle above this thing here. So this is a hint here. 1 hour bullish candle. We already rejected that zone, so we might go to this weak fill first, and then to that one. Let me see what we have here. So this is 13 pips. This weak fill from here is 15 pips. Wow. 15. So this, to my concern, this is kind of, I think this is the weak down of the 1 hour candle. 30-minute didn't break the low and it starts reacting going up. The only problem is 15-minute closed bearish. 15-minute has closed bearish. So if we break the high here, well, I'm expecting the volume to break through this because this is 5 pips away. I'm not expecting it because we made a higher high in here, higher low, sorry. On the other hand, entering in here, this is an head and shoulders sort of movement. That's what's kind of bothering me. But I don't care about head and shoulders. Because this is what we do. We trade price action. This week at 15 pips, and this week at 15 pips, and this I zone at 21, and that zone at 36. So I think I'm going to get an entry here with stop just below the 1 hour candle, because we are back inside the range. We didn't broke down. We respected this support in M30. So I'm just taking an entry here. It's going to be a buy with stop in here, and the last target will be in this weak fill here. And I'm taking in the weak fill like something, or maybe here, let's see. I know we have a bearish candle, but we have rejected from the downside. If we break this low, if this candle breaks its own low, I'm closing 50% because it's also the close of the previous candle. Okay, we are not rejecting. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted to see. Come on, you can do it. You can go up. You can go up to the next. I'm going to put it slower. I don't want to miss my partial there. That's the weak fill. Bit more. We already rejected that zone before, so now we are moving through it, moving through it. I'm counting on New York volume for this move. That's why I'm doing this trade. Let me see the trades. Are 15.3 pips. Just a bit more. We don't have a 1-to-1 yet. Just a bit more. $16.7. Almost 1-to-1. Just a bit more. Missed it. Oh man. Okay. 18. 18. Okay. I'm going to bring my TP here and just close everything in there. Everything. Just because I don't wanna leave a runner here. So let me take my TP, take profit. Let me put my take profit again. It's just visual. Just a bit more. There. Just there. Just there. Am I being greedy? I'm being greedy, isn't it? Yeah, I'm being greedy. So I'm closing 80% here. And I leave my rest there. Just a bit above. Just a bit above. I'm leaving the last 20%. Just here on those weeks. Except just that. Okay. And I don't want to know the rest of the trade. This was a success. So let's see if we can have another one. Let's see the M30 here. How is this going to close? Very bullish. Ooh. It's going to close very bullish. Okay. We closed bullish above this with a very big 30-minute candle. So let's see the 4 hours. 4 hours didn't close yet, but it looks like it's heading up. 4-hour resistance in there. So let's see if we can break high in here and do something. For now, I'm just not confident to take a trade here in this 4-hour zone. We broke up. Price action is screaming go for the weak fill. Yeah. But to get in here is just impossible, isn't it? Yeah, with stop below the M15 here, it could be possible. Yeah, that could be possible there for this week fill. For this week fill. So that's 14 and that's 17. Yeah, it would be possible. Definitely possible. I want to see a retest. This is a breakout. Now I want to see the retest. Oh man, we just broke everything up. What an amazing thing. Okay, so we are rejecting that upside. Still very bullish. Still very bullish price action. We need some sort of resistance to be broken or support to be, you know, very bullish price action. I just played safe in here. The only thing I should have done is to enter another trade in the break of this high, um, expecting this weak fill on the 4 hour. Definitely, I should have done that, or just having a pending just above here, something. Uh, let's see if the market will give us something. Tens razão, querido. Tipo, a gente não combina nada para o fim de semana. Eu meio assumi uma fé que era do nosso interesse estarmos juntos novamente. Só isso. Nós proporcionando, pá, não há problema. Não há problema, está tudo bem e não fico chateado. Mas pronto, agora está tudo bem, está tudo bem. Mas se tenho alguma coisa, se tu dizes que eu tenho alguma coisa ou que fiquei alguma coisa com alguma coisa, pá, foi com isso. Mas sem stress nenhum. Quanto ao resto, era aquilo que eu estava a dizer, tipo, é o teu tom, yeah, é o teu tom, pá, desde. Let's see if we have something here. Some sort of resistance, some sort of support. We have that daily line there. Daily line for our line something. Again, this candle closed above here. Closed above resistance. And it broke resistance. So I'm tempted if this one breaks the high there. I'm tempted if that one breaks the high. Very tempted. Very tempted. Let's see. That's 12 pips. 13 pips. 13. Spread is 1.3 pips. So bullish. Okay. Yeah, so this was a breakout and retest on this one. So if you break the high, I mean, I'm going to set a pending here just above 1.4 pips above. Um, yeah, pending stop. 1.4 pips above. Stop 12.5 TP. 12.6, something like that. Let's see if we can do it. We did it. Let's continue this move, man. Let's continue this move. 30, 1 hour. Beautiful M15. Let me see the trades. Oh, come on, go. Bit more, bit more. There's nothing in the way. Let's go. Go, go, go. Get it. Man, that was beautiful. That was beautiful. All right, all right. I traded my plan. Very nice, very nice. Very happy with this trade. Okay, now we are moving to the next day because yeah, it's where are we? It's Thursday already. So we only have Friday now to trade. Let's see if we can get something else out of here. This one I would be very scared of doing this, the break of this high. Very, very scared. We got a week and we broke up again. Crazy price action going on. The thing is, we don't have nothing in the left as a reference. Nothing. Just that there. Like, which is, it's even difficult to go there and, you know. But we can do it. We go there in the 4 hours. So price is here, and in the 4 hours, oh, we have this thing here now, just here in the 4 hours. That might be a problem in there. This problem here, and what more? This problem here, which is also the weak here. Oh, that's the problem there. 71, 55. That's a very nice area. And then just so difficult. Okay, so let's clone this. Okay, so we are just next to this one. Wow, look at the 1 hour price action. 15 minutes is breaking, but we have this thing here. I cannot do that. So let's see. Going to speed up the ticks. Now it's just going. Nothing. It's time for a retrace, isn't it? How many bullish candles? 'Cause yeah, even here would have been good. Wow. Wow, man. Okay, I'm moving to the next bar because I feel like the price action is just too tricky. Okay, pin bar there. We should break down now and compensate something. Rejection pin bar at the 4 hour zone. So we might be creating some sort of support of resistance to go down. I'm moving to the next candle. This is no trade day anymore. We are finished. We just finished London, so I'm moving to the next day. Yeah, double top. Now, if we break this range now, that would be amazing. I'm moving. Yeah, that's the way. That's the way. That's the trade I want to take there in this M30. But of course, we are out of time, and there's nothing to do. Two would have been very bad. And there we are in that one. We broke up in here. Amazing. Amazing price action. Okay, we are 3 hours before NFP, and it's not before Friday, and it's not NFP. That's what I wanted to say. Now, this is a very interesting. We retested this zone here. We retested it, and she didn't want to go down. It closed above. It closed above all those wicks here. So this is already giving me an hint. Okay, this is already a hint to buy. But as we have this resistance here, I'm going to wait for this high to be broken in order to maybe this one. Let's see. This is the 1 hour. Rejection, bullish candle, closed above the range. We broke the low. We barely broke the low there. So that doesn't count to me as breaking the low. Let's see if we close up. Oh yeah. The 30-minute didn't close up yet, but the 1 hour is more important than the 30-minute. Oops. Oh, you know, I wanna take this break here, okay? I just don't know where the stop is going to be, but I wanna take that break. Yeah, definitely. So I'm going to set a pending here, okay? Sell stop, buy stop. That's the high is 43.40. So 44.40. 44.70. That is good enough. And the TP, now it's there for now. But the M30, I'm going to put the TP, yeah. Well, I'm going to try here. If we break there, I'm not expecting it. That's already 18 pips. 18.1 pips. 18 pips. So my TP will be also 18 pips, and that's it. It's there, except I hope it doesn't trick me up on a Friday. We are in. It also broke this one, right? So I would have been in anyway. This is worrying me, man. Okay, this is worrying me a lot now. This looks like shit. This looks like shit now. There is not even a chance of cutting 50%. It's just me cutting 50% here. But go up, man. Go up. Just break that shit. Okay. Need to close 50% here. Try it. Closing 0.81 lots. If we break this high, I will have a pending there again with 0.81 lots. Risk lots 0.81 lots. And again, it's a buy stop with in the same place here, and with TP in the same place there. That's it. That's all I want. Break the high again. If we break the high, which is not there, let me just reformulate my trade. Buy stop. Buy stop. Buy stop is in there. We need to break the high. In there. TP in there. So let's pray now. I close another 50% if you break this low here. We did it. Not yet. We are shooting up very well. Let's see if we can get our target. Man, that was perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Perfect, mister. Perfect. Wow, I loved it. Okay, that's my simulation, mate. To beat yours. And there is a lot to talk on this one. Let me tell you why. Because I've seen your chart, and your chart starts going up, and then you have the bad trades in the end. It was the way, it was the thumbnail you put on the video, okay? And my chart, man, my chart, my chart is the exact opposite of your chart, the exact opposite of it. Let me show you. Trades, graphic. So this is the opposite of your chart, mate. Okay. Yours is starts like this and then it comes down. Mine just goes up from here. Wow. Anyway, have a good. I'm going to. Can I maximize this? No. I don't know how to do that. Big chart. That's for the thumbnail or something. Put it like this. Why did the maximize button doesn't work properly? Okay, matey. Have a good one. We are on track. We are on track. I commit a lot of mistakes in this simulation, and I'm not really proud of that part. That this is a big drawdown here. I'm not really proud of it. That's a lot of problems going on here. So I must go through it and analyze what's going on. And you are going to help me on it. So let's see. Cheers, brother. Cheers. See you in a bit.